Hey guys, what's up? Got my new tires on today, and I'm just gonna do a little review on these. It's the Michelin Power Road 5s. I don't know what the hell you're doing, but you're in one lane and not in the other lane. So they're the Michelin Road 5s. I'm also doing this review on this new helmet. I got a Shark Spartan 1.2. I got all my stuff set up on it, and so I'm just doing a little vlog here, little video on the helmet and the Michelin Road 5s. I got these tires on my 83 GS 1100Es, and I love them. So initially what I did is, because nobody had them in stock here in my area, fine, don't wave. I just went ahead, they were cheaper, and I ordered them from Revzilla. And initially they were on sale for like $380, and then I had to pay for shipping. Or no, I didn't. It was the size of the tire that, because they had a certain sale on the one size tire, and so apparently these were kind of on sale. But anyways, I paid 400 bucks, and then I dismounted the tires myself, or the wheels, took the tires down to cycle gear and had them mount and balance them. And I've got the extended warranty, which I think is 3,800 miles. In case there's a puncture, they replace the tire for free, mounted and balanced. So it was roughly probably 460 bucks for the tire. But these tires are great. I could already tell the difference. I feel a lot more grip to the road with these. I don't know if you guys are getting a lot of air in this helmet, but it's got going on with the helmet. The helmet is a Shark Spartan 1.2 matte black helmet, and I do have there's like a chin skirt underneath here, so I can actually close the chin skirt, but I have it open, so I'm hoping that you guys are not getting a lot of air. If you are, I'll have to fix that with the chin skirt, make sure that it's closed. But this is the one that does have the visor slide down on it, and this is basically just a replacement of my Vortex helmet, because I had to retire that. The helmet was bought in 2013, so it was basically past the 8 years. And today I actually had to go to work and then go home and then come back to work, because we were having maintenance done on the house, so I was lucky enough to get to leave. But so I'm doing this little return video because I'm on my way back to work, and here's my tank bag and my gear shift indicator. Well, you guys probably seen that on my last video with my group ride, but I'm hoping this thing ain't conducting a lot of air, because I can most certainly hear the air in the helmet. But this thing is very comfortable, it's light, and this is not a track helmet. You cannot take this helmet out on the track because of the slide down visor, and I wouldn't recommend it anyways. So, but this is a really comfortable helmet. It's for basically just riding around town and going on tours and whatever you're going to do, adventure rides, whatever. Do whatever you want with the helmet other than the track. So this is like a little test for me too, because like I said, I installed my Sena on here and my GoPro. And what I liked about this helmet, it was flat in the front, so I could use like a little bit of a curved mount, and I could just mount the helmet up, you know, my GoPro on my helmet. I didn't have to mess with any of the, as far as getting a a specialized or custom made chin mount for it. Although you can do that if you'd like. But alright, there's my phone. Let's see if I can answer my phone. Hello? Yeah, this is... Okay. Is there any way I can get you guys to call me back tomorrow? I'm at work, so... Yeah, that'd be great. All right. Okay, great. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wow. Hey guys, heard my conversation. I don't want Allstate. I got good insurance anyway. So, but anyways, as I was saying about the helmet, I'm hoping that you guys are not receiving a lot of air. The helmet's comfortable. Feels real good on my head. I'm a size medium. And it's perfect. Fits perfect. It was a good price, so I think it was it 300 and I want to say it was $390, and that was also bought at Revzilla. So, and I also did an adjustment on the suspension. I tightened it up because it was just way too loose in the back, way too bouncy. So I did tighten up the suspension on the rear shock. The fronts I didn't do nothing to because the rebound was perfect on them. So yeah, so this is a little review on the Road 5 tires from Michelin and the Spartan 1.2. It's actually the Shark Spartan 1.2. So, but anyways guys, I'm gonna get out of here, and I hope you enjoyed this little video and this review on the helmet and the Road 5 tires. But all in all, these tires are rated for me at a 5. I have not taken them out on the track, and I'm gonna try it here this summer, and I'll give another review on that. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like, and don't forget to leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Peace.